Hi, everybody. Hope that you have enjoyed your couple of days in the snow and you've stayed warm, hopefully kept power. Um, so for today, we're going to do our bell work, working in quill, just like we have been. And then you have a journal to do as well about sort of what you consider a hero to be. So we're sort of on this discussion of the hero's journey and what makes a hero, leading into our class novel that we're going to be reading. So today, after you finish your journal, you're actually going to start watching a documentary called Finding Joe. This is a documentary, excuse me. It's partially about Joseph Campbell and the hero's journey. But then a lot of it also talks about sort of how we can apply the hero's journey to our own personal lives. So when we read literature, when we watch movies, there are themes and symbols that we are supposed to sort of take away from them. And those are things that then we can apply in our own lives. Um, so the documentary, it does talk, like I mentioned, some about, Joseph Campbell and who he was and what his teachings were. And then it also, does talk about the hero's journey, but it's not, I guess, it's not like just about the hero's journey. It's more sort of about like the theme of the hero's journey and how we can apply that into our own lives. So, they do discuss, several types of like belief systems and things like that. And it's like an hour and 20 minutes, I think. So we'll kind of break it up into two viewing sessions. I have linked it here. It's on YouTube. So you can watch, again, like I said, probably about half of it this class and then half of it the next class. And then there are questions that go with it. Um, so you'll want to click on the blue link to get it to open. Okay, well, I will fix this. I don't know why it's like this right now, but I'll fix it so that you can actually type in it. Um, but you'll see that I have it broken down in parts, like part 1, part 2, part 3, and so on. So basically, I have the movie here pulled up. But basically, like the first part will be, obviously from 0 minutes, and then sort of to where there's kind of these like, sorry, I'm trying to just locate one. I should have done this ahead of time. But you'll get these kind of like black screens that will come in the middle. Okay, so like from 0 to 4 minutes, that would be like your like part 1. So whenever the screen kind of goes black and then
who is Joseph Campbell and what?
And then continues on, that sort of like the end of one part and the start of another. So I did try to kind of divide up the questions that way a little bit, just so that you can kind of keep track of what part you're on. They do go in order. So if you have any questions on anything, just let me know. I will fix this so that it is actually a excuse me, actually a Google Doc. I'm not sure what's going on here, but I will fix it before you have class. So if you have questions, let me know. Otherwise, enjoy your day and shoot me an email if you need anything.